To my channel. Today I will share with you about a new project named as Jafal. I will share all the details here. What is Jafal, what how you can buy it, what are their games, and all that will be given in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. So powering the future of Web3 gaming, join the next generation of games with the dollar Jafal. So it is given here. So first of all, I want to share with you that what is Jafal, and Jafal is a utility token that connects all the games within their ecosystem. It is exclusively used within the Jafal platform for trading and purchasing digital assets with no utility outside of their ecosystem. You can easily be able to read their white paper. I will open that. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. So do your own research on the white paper or anything else which you want to do, so you can get to know about it. So where to buy Jafal? Here are the 3 steps is given. You have to sign in with Jafal ID, like you have to go and log in with it. After that, you have to create their own wallet. Go to their dashboard, click to create Jafal wallet, which will be given here, and you can easily be able to buy it by using ramp here. So it is all that you can get it here. You can buy with a credit card too. You can also make sure to purchase through the exchanges provided like BTSC, BingX, MEXC, Bit2Me, BitGat, Bitmart, and Bitrue, which is given. These are the main major exchanges from where you can buy Jafal from here. So underlying technology about the Jafal token, the utility token, you can see it is the ERC20 token standards and is used on the Binance Smart Chain. The smart contract about the token is given here, which is a solid programming language and deployed on the BNB chain to ensure secure and reliable transaction. They have also the technology audit. The Jafal is underwent a technology audit by Hacken.io. So it's mean it is safe and secure. You can ensurely go its integrity, reliability, and go compliance with the industry standards. So furthermore, they have the private and the pre-sale stages. So you can go for that private sale. They raise about 3.5 million in the pre-sale. They raise 800k is less than in 1 minute. So it is given here all the biggest things I was sharing with you, that you can see the distribution from the total supply. The private sale have 15%, pre-sale have 2%, liquidity 10%, team have getting 18%, advisor have getting 2%, and the developers is getting 5%, foundation is 15%, reserve is 10%, marketing is 7.5%, KOL is given 0.5% in the game and the tournament. You can see here about the Jafal token address is given. You can use that address by clicking here. You can view address on BSC scan. So I will just share that video so you can be able to think on it and get it here. So furthermore, they have also the social media accounts. I will share their social media account. You must go and join them so that you can easily be able to be a part of it. So if you want to see, they have given here the 4 games where number 1 is the Alimented Raiders, and the second one is given here the Diamond Dreams, Jump and Pump, and Dead Zombies. So furthermore, you can see their white paper which is given here. You can read the details about the white paper, that how you can utility that token. You can unified gaming economy, collective diamonds and demands, and singular token origin, all that is given. You can further details see here. So you can even see it here on the BSC scan. It is given here, and you can see their transaction which are going in. So it is means in that trend. Now you can even go and see the game of their Dead Zombie. You can play that game, and you can be able, you can even see the play the future with their luxury. You can see Diamond One, and furthermore they have the game which is given here Elemental. You can see Raiders here. You can see that you can even go and play that game. The further 4th game about that is the Diamond Dreams. You can even able to download it on your App Store and even the Google Play. You can play that game, and you can see the diamond details about that, or you can see the furthermore Jump and Pump is also given here. So it's all about that. You can go and shop it from here. Furthermore, if I go back and share with you the other details about that, is that you can see its marketplace which I already share. You can even go and join them on their Twitter. So it's also on the Twitter, the proof of luxury on the luxury for the legacy. You can see the Jafal ring $50, which is equal to $7,500. All the details about that, their rings is given here. You can see ETH ETH ring is $100 and the BTC ring is $200. So you can see it is also on the $50 at that time. You can see it here, it is written on it the Bitcoin JFAL, you can see it is written, and also the Ethereum one. You can see, you can even go and check it out, their videos. You can go and join them on the Twitter so that you can get to know about more their news from here. So it is all about that video. I was again saying you that this video is for educational purpose, it's not a financial advice. Do your own research before going in it, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any query, you can give the comment below, so I will respond it to you. Thank